Cruising at 90, yeah, me and my crew. Nothing can stop us, we do what we do. 1000% and we getting it done. Climbing new levels till we hit the sun. Vominos, adios, move out our way. Out of the gold, new roads to pave. We shake it up, we making waves. 1000%, but we hitting better. Every day getting better. Every day.
We had been doing lots of calls on the weeks leading up to Ridgeline, and we had a rudimentary storyboard and a Pinterest board, and yeah, we put lots of work into it before Ridgeline.
True originals, first class on the game. Out on these streets, everybody around here knows our name.
We had to split into 2 sub-teams, and each team is working on creating a children's storybook. So my team were writing about a penguin named Pip and finding his identity as a penguin.
Where'd the penguin come from?
I think Maverick brought it, right? Yeah, Maverick brought the penguin. Our team has a complete storyboard and our first rough draft and some concept sketches. Well, they're more than concept sketches. They're like really good. So I'd say we made lots of good progress for the first day.
It's getting better, sealed up, airtight, got this on lock.
We're here at the beautiful Panama City Beach Marina, and we're about to go on a charter adventure. Come join us while we eat granola bars and catch some fish. Peace out, gang. See you in a bit.
Getting better, every day, 1000%, but we getting better, every day. 1000%, but we getting better. Getting better. 1000%, but we getting better. Getting better. 1000%, but we getting better. We getting better. 1000%, but we getting better. Come on. 1000%, but we getting better. Getting better. 1000%, but we getting better. Getting better. 1000%.
This is our Flymobile for 2026 Ridgeline. We'll cut it out of tempered hardboard, and it's a very simplistic design with simple angles, but with the flair of a real race car.
Our team is making a pizza brick oven and meals for Ridgeline.
The reason that we have this right here is because when we built our pizza oven, we needed to test the temperature of how hot the fire was, and we got to, do you remember how hot it was? 600 something degrees, somewhere around there.
Our team, the community team project, we are going to make a small document that is going to be filled with biblical truth and wisdom on how people can create communities back in their homes. We really want to help empower the Unbound community and others to create strong and deep communities within their hometowns.
My favorite part was honestly getting into the deep conversations, because it's like you don't realize how far you can get into a subject and really dive in until you hear other people's perspectives on it, and then you're like, that rings a bell, that makes sense, and makes you think of more.
Sitting down to record the first podcast, I was moderating that, so I was the one asking the questions. I'm sitting there and I'm looking at Trevor and Eliana, and I'm just holding their emotions for them for a moment so that they could get through what we were talking about. And there is this moment of like, this is what the body of Christ is meant for. He knows us so well. We can't carry this on our own, and we're designed to carry it together and carry it with him. That was a moment where the whole team was like, this was the right thing to do. Because we had the passion, we had the conviction, and now we were like, this was not us. It was Christ in us. But just this overall feeling of safety and of trust and of knowing that the Lord is with us.